Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to introduce you to a new stock item, a display model of our Elegance Grande 835 2021 model. Top of the range Swift twin axle 8-foot wide caravan with rear transverse island bed and centre bathroom. So here's a good look at that particular model. So benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You've got that beautiful carbon front locker box. And for 2021, refreshed graphics going down the side of the Elegance range. So the new graphic that you see there in the Elegance Grande and the overall graphic that you see all the way along the side of the Caravan here, really offsetting this well-spec'd, high-spec'd quality Caravan. Exterior barbecue point and side access hatch to underneath the front couch area with 240-volt socket are also some further benefits. One of the other great features, so you have got the rear window here, but on this particular model, no two-lay bike rack fixings on the back because of that rear window. You also benefit from the reversing camera that you see at the rear. And you have a side access hatch here to underneath that transverse island bed. So we're going to step inside to give you a feel for what the changes are inside the Elegance Grande for 2021. So stepping inside the Caravan, the first thing that you notice is a change in the fabric scheme. So a high quality, durable fabric scheme that you see here. And one of the other key changes is the change in the colour of the wood lockers. So gone to a two-tone colour in two slightly different, sort of a lighter and a darker grey. But also with the positive catches still. You've got the panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, creating a great feeling of space in a very spacious front lounge area in this 8-foot wide Caravan. Front chest with short pull-out table and storage underneath, and also underneath there with your PIR sensor located to the left-hand side. You've got an auxiliary jack at the front, a USB points and also a 240-volt socket, but a couple of blanks there to be able to put some extras in should you need or require it. Easy usable height microwave positioned above the Fenix kitchen work surface with work surface extension. Ample amount of storage located underneath. And you've got your Thetford oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners, 1 electric and a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. An omnivent in the kitchen area to blow some ambient temperature in or take out those cooking smells. You've got your first television point located on the side here with a storage cupboard underneath and also above. Benefiting from the Swift command system, so built-in digital DAB radio and also the ability to control your Caravan whilst in it via Bluetooth or at a distance via GPRS using the Swift command app. You've got the Alder wet central heating in this particular model. Generous sized tall fridge freezer, so plenty of space in there with storage both above and also underneath. High quality of chrome finish on the central bathroom door as we step through to a very spacious central bathroom area. You've got your Thetford toilet with storage located above. In this particular model, you've got a vanity mirror and a nice large vanity mirror above a generous sized sink with storage underneath. Ample amount of space in this curved central shower cubicle with another wardrobe that you see here with plenty of shelving in it to be able to pop items that you may need in there. So stepping through to the bedroom area, so the bed is in the fixed position here, so no need to keep pulling it backwards and forwards for day and night position, but you've got ample amount of storage around the end of the bed with a corner cupboard located there and also a corner cupboard on the right hand side. You've got another television point in the bedroom area should that be a requirement for you, and that two-tone wood locker coming through with the matching headboard. Cupboards on the right hand side and left hand side of the Caravan, so you certainly are not missing out on storage, and then with that window at the rear creating a fantastic amount of light in this particular model. So that gives you a real good feeling, good understanding for what this Elegance Grande 835 2021 model has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. We'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour and we look forward to doing business with you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.